Look, you have to come with us.
She's right.
Christmas just doesn't work out for me. Never has.
But Christmas is such a wonderful, beautiful time. It's a time for giving and being thankful for friends and family. People hang decorations and lights, and then Santa comes and leaves presents under our Christmas trees.
Christmas just doesn't work out for me.
Look, I don't know if Christmas is gonna work out for you or not, but this is Christmas Eve. Don't stay here by yourself.
Yes, come with us. We'll go together. Hear that? The bell.
What bell?
The sleigh bell.
Sleigh bell?
Did you hear it? It's coming from that tunnel. That's the way we should go. Come on.
What? What?
Come on. Come on.
We're lost.
Yes. Yes, I hear it.
I hear it too.
I don't hear anything.
Okay, it's down this way.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.